Today we're going to have a little walk through a young woodland. Young woodlands are beautiful places and a nice sign that humanity is coming back to nature. This one where we are today is a community woodland, and it was planted along the train line and on the site of an old coal mine. It's a truly heartwarming sentiment that we can take an area that was once woodlands and got destroyed by humans and turned into an industrial site, and now it's returned to nature. Judging by the trees, I would estimate that this woodland was planted about 25 to 30 years ago. What makes this place even more magical is there's clearly been an emphasis on planting native tree species. We have hawthorn, silver birch, alder, Scots pine, rowan, gorse and goat willow. This somewhat random seeming selection of trees is actually the perfect combination to create a young woodlands, as these are all pioneer species. And thanks to the careful planning of the developers who created this woodlands, we get a nice insight into pioneer species of trees. But what are pioneer species and why are they important? Pioneer species are the first trees and plants that colonise an area after it's been destroyed either by humans or by fire. These are the plants that not only grow but actually thrive in this kind of hostile, uninhabitable area. They tend to live shorter lives than our bigger tree species like ash, oak and beech. As they die and their leaves and branches and trunks break down into the soil, they produce rich compost. And in the damp cover of this woodland, in the now nutrient-rich soil, you'll find trees like this, a beautiful young ash tree. And this one's just a baby, only about 2 years old, but these grow to be about 400-year-old and about 30 metres tall. There's one here, one there, one there, one there, one there. So anywhere from 30 to 100 years from now, these trees will outcompete and outgrow all of the other trees in this area. And as these pioneer species slowly die off one by one, they're replaced by the bigger tree species like beech, ash and oak. Here's an oak tree that's about 10-year-old, and it's already kick-started this transformation between young woodland and mature woodland. And as this oak tree grows old, it'll support thousands of different species, from moss to lichen to fungi, insects and birds. So next time you're taking a walk through a young woodlands, appreciate that you're seeing it in its first stages of life. And how privileged are we to be able to see the birth of a new woodland. If you like this video, give it a like and also share the positivity, and thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a lovely day.